Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Cassandra Goode coming to you live from my home office here in Albany, Georgia. And ladies and gentlemen, today I want to talk about the importance of understanding what you have before you in our business model, Live Good. Not only do we have wonderful products at a price point that's 80% cheaper than anything that you will find online or offline, but ladies and gentlemen, this is international. Our reach for Live Good is international. Now, a lot of you all might not realize how powerful that is, but a lot of nutritional companies, because of the products, because of the borders, because of custom, because of certain things that take place going across the borders, some of them have not taken the time out, or it's too much big of a big risk to actually get those products back and forth across the border. And not only a risk, but sometimes it's just a headache doing that. But see, when you have natural ingredients, all pure, top tier, premium products in these products, I promise you, you don't have those problems. You don't have FDA problem. You don't have any kind of issue whatsoever upon deliverability. Now, this is the most important thing that I want to talk about, ladies and gentlemen. And I realize a lot of you all are missing this. You're missing this because at the end of the day, you do not have to exclude your fellow countrymen because of language barrier. Now, what do I mean by that? This one little simple bar that's located on everybody's Live Good website is being ignored completely. Now, true enough, a lot of us want to make sure that we connect with people in English speaking countries. Why? Because maybe that's our fluent and primary language. But guess who all need these products? Everybody does. And if you send someone that may have broken English or they may not kind of understand the English dialect or the English language, and they might not really can understand what you're sharing with them, but they know it's powerful. They know they've seen it everywhere, and they know they don't want to miss it. Well, guess what? I'm going to give you an example. I had a young man that came to me and he said, Miss Cassandra, I have a young man and I'm not really sure what to say to him. I'm not really sure how to get across to him. He's interested. He sees Live Good. He sees this brand everywhere. But what do I do? Well, first and foremost, ladies and gentlemen, I will tell you, you need to go to this little box right here. You need to select what other country that this person or your persons are raving from. Where are they coming from? Where are they originated from? Because even though they might speak English and that dialect might be broken and English is not their primary language, you may want to help in a system better understand our opportunity with Live Good by taking them straight on over to their native tongue. And what does that mean? So I'll give you an example. So if you have someone that says, "Hey, I'm over here in the good old Dutch country." Well, guess what? If it's Dutch, click it, and it will definitely. And I'm gonna choose another one because Dutch is more English too. But let me say Indonesia. If a person is in Indonesia, look how your whole website presence, from your menu side to the content on your page, changes so that that name will be the same. Your name will be the same because if you have an English name, it doesn't even matter. Your name is going to be the same because at all times they need to be connected to the person that brought them to this wonderful opportunity. But what this has done, ladies and gentlemen, it has given them information about our products, which is in the English native tongue and native language, but it has translated them for it to be understandable in Indonesian. Okay? So now you have the Indonesian language being presented to them. They understand what the menu points are. They understand exactly what's in the business. Okay? They can go and click on any one of these links and it's going to come up in Indonesian. Ladies and gentlemen, so many of you all are missing the boat. Please, please do not miss the opportunity to be able to connect with your fellow countrymen and those across the water about how great Live Good is. Because I'm going to tell you, first and foremost, we do not want language barriers to be a problem to get these fantastic products, to get everyone to a point where they can have things that will actually help them with their immune system as well. Okay, so that was just a little bit tidbit today. I wanted to definitely let you guys know that. For those of you all who didn't, I have several people that have come to me that are looking. They had people that opted in. They're from other countries and they're trying to explain. I do not want you to explain. I want you to go ahead and give them the opportunity to understand the content that we have, understand Live Good that we have in their own native tongue. That way, you will not have to try to figure out how to say something or how to express it in their native tongue when you know that's not your primary language. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, we'll be back for another tutorial, a quick little look at how we're going to dissect and how we're going to share Live Good across the water and even here in the good old United States. Other than that, ladies and gentlemen, you're ready to take this plunge. You're ready to get involved in Live Good and be here at the forefront. We are founders. We are right here at the very, very beginning. Definitely click the link below this video. Go ahead and share this video. Also, if you have some likes, you want to press that like button. You have some comments you want to drop for me, or even some questions, reach out to me at askcassandragood@gmail.com. That's ASK, my name, CassandraGood@gmail.com. I'll get those answered for you. And please go ahead and subscribe to my channel because there's a lot that's going to be coming down the pipe, and I want to be the one to share it with you and share it to you. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for a little bit of your time today. Y'all have a good one and God bless.